Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Umaima, I think so. You are ready. Mustafa,
Yes.
are you ready with all the materials, beta?
Which
Yes.
material?
For science, I told you on Wednesday we will do experiments. Have you just checked?
I'm getting ready.
Okay. 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 Then you know, right? What materials to get, Mustafa?
Yes.
Quickly go
Yes.
and get it. Huh? Just keep everything ready. Okay. So that we don't waste time once we start the session. Musfira Rizwani, are you ready?
I have everything, ma'am.
Okay, Umaima is ready. I know that. Umaima, just keep all your materials aside and just away from your devices.
Ma'am, how much oil should I bring?
Just one spoon, not much. Oh, Mustafa.
Okay.
What happened, ma'am?
Yeah, Umaima is ready, right? Y'all can go ahead. Just Umar, just I want to make sure that everyone has all the materials, okay, with them. Umar, are you have all the materials with you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. Then it's fine. Let me just confirm with Musfira Rizwani. You have everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Musfira Sayyed. I've already conveyed to Musfira Sayyed. Okay, then it is fine. Okay. Y'all can
Ma'am,
go
can you
ahead
please
and
unmute?
play. What, Umaima? Did you say something?
Can you please on your video?
Can I? You are asking me? Okay, I can do that. But I said, let me just wait for 5 more minutes and then we'll do the session and then I'll put my screen on. Okay?
इधर पे इधर राइट में कबर्ड जो है ना डाइनिंग टेबल पे वो एक कांच का ग्लास रखा हुआ है और एक स्पून
Okay, Umaima is in a hip hop mood, है ना? Umaima is just jumping.
Yes.
ये टेबल के बाजू रखो ये भी लो आयशा एक कटोरी में और नन्ना से पूछो फूड कलर है
No.
नन्ना को बोलो लिक्विड फूड कलर या कोई भी फूड कलर लेके दे फूड कलर जो बोला खाली इसने मुस्तफा टीचर रेडी होने को बोलते तो हम कुछ भी करते रहते क्या इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है वो बेकार करना करना
Nancy.
Okay, I'm back. Okay.
I bring all materials.
Very nice, Musfira Rizwani. Very nice.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
pinned you.
Okay. You have pinned me? Oh my God. Umaima, don't pin me. Okay. So I think so everybody is ready with the material. Yes, Khatija. Well done. But now, for now, we will do our experiment in the end. Okay? In the end. First, we will learn something. Otherwise, then you all are not in the mood to learn anything. Ah, no, ma'am, we don't want to learn anything. Yes, right? You don't want to do anything. So we okay. But this time, we will just do the revision. We'll not do much. Okay? Is it all right? Is it all
Yes.
right? And like last time, I have shown you, yes, like last time, I have shown you about solvent, solute, soluble, insoluble, right? Yes, I had shown you everything. So what we will do is I will show you the same slide and you all have to explain me. Okay, whoever is comfortable with that slide, raise your hand. I will come to you and you have to explain what the slide is. Okay, just see the slide and then raise your hand. You have not even seen the slide and you all are raising hand, me. How can I give you all? Okay. So I will start my slide and you all have to explain what it is. But everybody will get only one chance. Okay. So let me start my screen and you all have to explain what it is. Let me see how much do you all remember. Okay. So we will do our revision.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
why
Khatija.
is your name Golden Sparrow?
Ah, because our school name is Golden Sparrow. We are unschooled, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let me start my screen.
Ma'am, I can see.
Yes. Just a minute. Let me just increase, make it
We're making
maximize.
magenta mug cake.
Ah, no. We are not going to make our mug cake again. Okay. But how was the mug cake? It was good? Was it delicious?
Yummy.
It was yummy?
Yummy.
Ma'am, I give to my full family.
Oh, wow. That's nice, Musfira. That's good.
I could
I
do
also.
more.
Okay. Okay, we'll start our session. Is it all right? We'll start our session and then in the end, we'll discuss a lot about it. Okay. Who's comfortable with this slide and who knows what is this? Just raise your hand. Okay. 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 Manha can start. Manha, you take this slide.
This is water. Solvent is like liquid things,
Okay.
orange juice, Sprite, and water.
Okay. But what is solvent? What do we do in solvent?
We drink.
Okay. Mustafa, do you want to take this slide?
Ma'am, can I?
Manha, you are right. Manha, you are right. But half correct and half wrong. Okay. Mustafa, you go ahead.
Ma'am,
Solvent is a thing that things can dissolve, like salt and all that.
Yes. The solvent is a liquid. Manha, you were right. Solvent is a liquid in which we mix what? Solute. Solute is any solid material. Yes, solute. Okay.
Sugar.
It's all right. That is why we do revision, right, Manha? Okay. I'm going to my next slide. Okay, I'm going to my next slide. This. Who's going to explain? Who's going to explain? Who's raising? Nobody's raising hand. Umar is also not raising hand.
Ma'am, I am raising.
Okay, Umaima, go ahead.
Solute is any material, anything which dissolves in water, like sugar, salt, then powder, flour, not
Yes.
flour, dairy flour, like that.
Okay, absolutely good. Now, whoever was yawning, no, in the slide, I'm going to give the next slide to them. Okay, I saw Mustafa yawning, I saw Khatija yawning, so I'm going to give my slide to them. Okay, the next slide. Khatija, are you ready? Khatija's yawn was the biggest, so I want to give the next slide to Khatija. Khatija, are you there? Khatija, can you take the slide? What is it? Acha, Umaima is also yawning now. I have to give it to her also now then. Okay, Khatija, tell me what is this? You have to explain this slide. Okay, Khatija?
Okay.
Also yawning. Oh my God. Okay. You have to explain what is solution.
Ma'am, I'm not yawning.
You're not yawning? Okay, okay. Musfira Sayyed, I will not give you the slide.
I don't know how to read this spelling.
Okay.
Solution.
It's a solution.
Solution.
Khatija, it's solution.
Solution.
And so now you have to
solution.
explain what is solution, Khatija. Wait, Manha, I'll come to you. Wait, let Khatija explain this slide.
Solution. It is.
Tell me, what do we mix, Khatija? What is there? There's a glass and there is a solute, okay? So, I'm just giving you a hint. Wait, wait for some more time for Khatija, okay? Let me see. See, there is a solute, which is sugar or salt, and there is a water, which is solvent, okay? So, what do we do? There's a plus sign also. What do we do to get solution?
If you want to get solution, solution means that the thing doesn't get dissolved.
Okay. So Khatija, solution means when we mix both the things together, like water and solute, which is sugar and salt, when they are mixed together, what do we get? Solution. Okay. It has to dissolve. Then only we get solution. Like water and lemon. If I pour lemon in the water, what do we get? Lemonade. That is a solution. Okay. Okay. Understood? Now let me go to someone else, okay?
And today we are going to make a solution.
Yes, and today we are going to make a solution. Yes, okay, okay. Now let me go to Musfira Sayyed. Musfira Sayyed, can you explain this slide?
Yes.
Okay. Look at the photograph of the sea. Where does the salt go when it dissolves? So I have explained you when we go to a beach, we see sand and salt. Can you explain that slide? This slide, sorry.
We can't see salt, ma'am. It's wrong.
Wait, we'll give chance to Musfira.
Not a mist. The water is only a salty water.
Wait, Ali, wait. This is Musfira Sayyed's chance. Yes, Ali, I will come to you also. Yes, Musfira.
The water like this. It comes back, forward. And
Where is the salt, Musfira? Where is the salt? The sea waters are always salty, right? So where is the salt?
that's kind of it. The brown part.
Okay, that is a sand, Musfira. That is a sand. But where is the salt?
In the water.
Yes, it has.
Salty.
Yes,
Dissolve.
yes,
salt is
Musfira Rizwani. The salt has dissolved in the water, okay? So it's kind of a solution. But what about the sand? Sand has dissolved?
No.
It settles down
Yes, sand has not
on the
dissolved.
seabed.
Sand is.
Okay,
It
that
settles
is
down on the seabed.
okay. Yes, Umaima. So we can see the sand. That means the sand has not dissolved. Next is your chance.
Mama, something is happening. पूरा ये आ जाता है.
Chalo, go take help from Jewelry. Okay, so the next slide is for Umar. Can you explain this slide?
Look at the photograph of the cup of tea.
Okay, so what does that mean?
To see the photograph of the this cup of tea.
But what is it? Okay, who is it? Who is it?
Oh, Mama.
Umaima. No, Umaima, your chance is over. So I want to give it to someone else. Okay, Ali, can you explain? Ali? Yes.
Nobody can answer, then I will answer, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Ali, it is your chance.
Is not dissolved.
What, Ali? I can't hear you.
That it is the color is full of heat, but we put, but it is not dissolved.
Yes, very nice, Ali. Because I could see the tea particles in the cup. That means the tea particles had not dissolved in the water, right? When you see something, then that means that it has not dissolved in the water. Very nice, Ali. Very well done.
And we don't see anything like sugar. Sugar is dissolved in the tea. Like that.
Yes.
That is dissolved. We cannot
Yes.
see that is dissolved. We can
Very-
see that is not dissolved.
Very nice, Musfira Rizwani. Very nice. Okay. So now, yes. Who's calling me? Umar? What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Who can explain me this slide? What do you mean by soluble material? Wait, Kanha. Wait, I'll come to you.
I cannot understand this soluble.
Okay. We will explain. Okay. Who can? Wait, Umaima, I will give you proper chance. Wait, Umaima. Okay. So can I go to Zainab? Zainab, what do you mean by soluble material? Explain. Unmute yourself, Zainab. What do you mean by soluble? Soluble means?
Dissolve.
Okay. Soluble means when the solute is mixed or when it is dissolved in the water, it's called as soluble material. Like salt is soluble. Okay. Sand is insoluble. Yes. Sugar is also soluble. Okay. Yes. Yes. Soluble and insoluble. Yes. Now the next.
Sand is not soluble
Very
because
nice.
it don't dissolve in the water.
Very good. Musfira Rizwani, this is your slide. Musfira Rizwani, insoluble. What do you mean by insoluble is your slide? Musfira Rizwani. Explain. What do you mean by insoluble material?
I know. Ma'am,
Yes, Mustafa.
insoluble is a material that doesn't dissolve.
Very nice, Mustafa. Musfira Rizwani, can you repeat this slide? Or can you explain this slide?
Is not dissolved in the water.
Okay, material that does not dissolve in the water is called as insoluble. Yes? Yeah, oh, Khatija knows it. Okay, yes, Khatija.
And soluble is the water in the dissolve.
Yes, soluble is the material that dissolves in the water. Yes, Khatija, tell me.
And insoluble is the water and the material don't have this.
Okay, Khatija, tell me. What is your answer?
My answer is insoluble is a material doesn't dissolve or it doesn't disappear. It
Okay.
shows.
It that is insoluble. Yes, Khatija, insoluble means which when we can see the particles or when it does not dissolve is called as insoluble. Yes, Khatija. Yes. See,
Or
we can.
doesn't.
Yes, Khatija.
Or
Okay.
doesn't invisible. It doesn't invisible.
Yes, if it is not, if it is visible, then it is insoluble. Okay, because you can see the sand, right? You can see the sand. That means it is insoluble. Okay, now whose chance? Who's next? Umar. Umar, you have not done. Now you have to explain what is soluble and insoluble material.
Insoluble means that when we put something water, so it does not dissolve.
Soluble is it dissolves. It dissolves. Okay.
Yes, and insoluble means that it does not dissolve.
Very nice, Umar. Very nice. So, what are the soluble materials? Who can tell me? Who can tell me?
Salt, sugar, oxygen. And insoluble material is the material
Okay.
not dissolve in the
Okay,
water.
Zainab, can you just read the soluble materials, the first one? Can you read the first one? This one. Yes, just one. Okay, Ali, I'll give you the chance. Next. Zainab, you are muted. Zainab, you are muted.
Flower oil, sandstone.
Salt, very nice. Who can read the second one for me? Ali. Okay, so sugar also dissolves in water. Then who can read the next one?
Oxygen gas.
Yes, Mustafa. Oxygen gas is also soluble. And vinegar. Very nice. And what are insoluble? What are insoluble? Flour, oil, sandstone.
Flower
Okay.
oil, sandstone.
I'm so happy. Okay. Okay, how many of you have done this already? Just a minute. Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes.
salt material is mixed. Then every material is dissolved.
Okay. What you said? Sorry, Musfira. What you said?
Salt is insoluble but soluble.
Okay. Okay. How many of you have done this? Solve this table for me. How many of you have done? Just raise your hand.
Materials.
Yeah. Huh? My voice is cracking.
I write in that, but I not do that cross and this one.
Okay. So, who can solve quickly? Everybody can use your annotate pen and can solve this table. Okay, Umayma, you have done it. Can you help me out over here? Can you help me out, everyone? Anyone can do it. Salt is soluble or insoluble. You have to just tick mark, okay? Oh, I'm so sorry. I've stopped sharing my screen. Very nice, Umayma. Very nice. Have you done, Manha?
I don't take mark.
Okay, wait. I'll just share my screen again. Wait. You all can just help me out with this, okay? and everybody can complete if they have not completed. Okay. Can you complete now, please?
Yes, I will.
Okay, just annotate and do it. Mustafa, you can also help me because you yawned a lot. A big yawn it was. Okay. Only Musfira is doing, Manha is doing, Mustafa is doing. Where is Zainab, Khatija? It's looking like a scribbling. Okay, Musfira is doing. And Zainab, I can't see you. Ali, I can't see you. Umar Jadwad is doing. Okay. Okay, Khatija has started now. Very nice.
Ma'am, what we want to do?
You have to just annotate. And this is cornstarch. Okay, cornstarch. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I stopped sharing.
I'm
my
already done, ma'am.
Okay. So we will not waste our time in doing this again. Okay, I think so. You all have all.
What is wrong,
Ma'am, what's the experiment?
Yes, now we are going to do the experiment.
Yeah.
What?
Let's do the experiment now.
Yes. We are done. We will do experiment now. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Listen. Now listen. I just want to know how many of you have not done that soluble and insoluble. You have not filled the insoluble and soluble column. How many of you have not done? Just raise your hand. In your book, In your book.
I do table, ma'am.
You did it, right? Don't raise your hand then. How many of you have not done the table? Musfira, you have not done the table in your book?
Soluble.
Musfira, Rizwani, please everybody mute yourself. Mute. Okay. Musfira, you have not completed the table, Musfira? Unmute yourself, Musfira, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Because I don't have time.
Okay. So I will send you in Google Classroom by Friday. Please complete it. Okay, Manha, I can see that. Yes. Excellent. But just complete the table now. You can do it on your own, right? Okay, now it's our experiment time. Okay, but before we do our experiment, yes. What is this, Musfira?
This is a marker only.
But I don't need marker, Musfira.
No.
No. Okay. So, Musfira, did you check the wrong message?
In
I think so.
Which period we need it?
Marker we need it for arts, not for science. Okay.
Oh.
Acha. Okay, now listen. What experiment we are doing, I will just show you the glimpse of it, okay? So quickly see what is it and then we will do it.
Glimpse of it means?
Glimpse means I am going to show you a small video of it, okay? So please check it.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see my screen? Kiddos, can you see my screen? Okay.
Mute everyone.
Okay, please everybody mute yourself, okay?
Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Hoopla Kids Lab, making science super fun and super simple. Today we're going to show you how to make raining blood. It's a really creepy experiment and really fun to do. All you're going to need for this one is a bowl of oil, a jar of water, a fork and some food dye. The first step is to take your bowl of oil and add a few drops of each of the food dye. Make sure that each bottle of dye is a different colour. We've got some yellow, some green, some blue, and finally some red. You'll see that the food dye sinks to the bottom of the oil. So what you need to do is take your fork and mix it together. Once that's done, you simply pour the mixture into your jar of water. You'll see that, as usual, the oil floats on top of the water. But if you give it a few seconds, you'll see something very interesting starts to happen. Small droplets of the mixture start to fall to the bottom of the water. This is because the food dye and the oil mixed together is heavier than the water. they cling together in droplets. After some time, you'll see that some of the drops that have fallen to the bottom of the jar start to go back to the surface. This is because the food dye and the oil start to separate, the food dye going into the water and blending, and the oil floating back to the surface. Ugh, gross! And there you have it. That's how you...
Okay. So do you have any questions?
We need lots of colors. No, ma'am.
And we are going to use only one color, okay? Any one color. We are not going to use 3 to 4 colors.
I have red.
You have red.
I have
Good.
also red. I also have red.
Okay, okay. Any food color, any
Only
one color.
one red.
Okay, okay. So
I
first
have
thing,
orange.
okay. So what am I
I
going
have
to do?
red, pink, blue. I have red, pink,
Okay,
blue.
okay,
Ma'am,
Manal.
I can't
Very nice.
hear you.
Okay. Mustafa, you can't hear me?
Pink and blue.
I
The
just need one
internet
color.
connection is not working.
Yes, I think so. Now listen. What we need to do, we'll do little different from them, okay? We will not do exactly what they have shown. So what will I do? I have a bowl, okay? Everyone has a bowl. Do you have a bowl?
Yes.
Okay, just take 1 spoon of oil, not much, okay? 1 spoon of oil. Bowl. Khatija, not glass, bowl.
One.
Umar, bowl. Do you have a bowl, Umar?
Yes.
White one.
I have a bowl.
Transparent.
No. It is not necessary that it has to be transparent.
1 minute, huh?
Okay, get a bowl. Quickly go get a bowl.
Get a bowl. Ma'am, I
Yes,
don't
Ali.
have a transparent bowl.
No, I don't need transparent bowl. Any bowl. Even the steel bowl will do. Any bowl. Anything to mix, Khatija.
This is okay? This is okay?
This is a glass, Musfira. I need a bowl. See, bowl. See, Manha has got. See, any steel bowl will do. Anything will do. We have to just mix it
Ma'am, I
together.
have plastic bowl.
Yes, it will do. Okay, any bowl. And just take 1 spoon, not much, okay? Just take 1 spoon
Ma'am?
of oil. Yes, this will do. Umar, this will do.
1 spoon of oil and then put it in the water.
I'll tell you. No. Don't put it in the water.
or teaspoon?
Teaspoon will also do. Just take very little oil. Don't take much, okay?
The teaspoon, ma'am? Ma'am, what we want to
Teaspoon will also do. Tablespoon will also do. Anything will do.
do? What we want to do?
You have to just pour 1 teaspoon of oil.
One teaspoon.
Just 1 teaspoon. Yes, 1 teaspoon. Don't take much. This is tablespoon, I think so. This will do. This will do, ma'am. Exactly. 1 teaspoon. That's it. Zaina, just pour half of your glass.
Ma'am.
Wait.
Proper.
Yes, Ali. You can take this spoon. Yes, Umar. You can take this spoon. Yes,
I
Musfira
don't
is
have
not-
a food color. It's powder food color.
Yes, I will tell you. Even I have a powder food color. Wait. Just
Ma'am, I have a liquid food color.
where is Musfira Rizwan? Yes, Musfira. Perfect. Just don't add too much of oil. Otherwise, your water will become really different color. Okay, it will not be transparent then. Okay, Umaima. Yes, Umaima. Just add a little bit of oil. Just 1 teaspoon of
I
oil.
added.
Oh, you added? Okay.
I added.
Fine, Umaima. Fine.
Everyone is okay. I think
Yes.
we can
Little bit more, Umar. Little bit more. Just full spoon. Yes, Musfira, I can't hear you. Unmute yourself, Musfira. Yes.
What we have to do?
Just add 1 teaspoon of oil. Don't go ahead, okay? Yes. Yes, Umar. Yes. Umar, yes. Pour it. Pour it in your bowl. Okay? Yes, in your bowl. Okay, done till this step. Okay. Yes. Okay, Manha. Fine, Manha. Okay, now what are we going to do is
We have to pour the oil in the bowl, right?
Yes, in the bowl, not in your glass, okay? Only in the bowl, okay? Now what we will do is, how many of you have a liquid food color?
I have liquid color.
You have liquid color? Okay. Just add. Okay, just add one teaspoon of liquid food color. If you have liquid, I don't have liquid, I'm going to use the powder one, okay? So I will show you what to do with the powder one.
No, what we want to do? Where we have to add the food color?
You have to add your food color in the oil, okay? Oil with the drops. Just
One drop?
no, 5 drops. 5 drops. 5.
Liquid one?
Yes, liquid one, 5 drops. Or if you have a spoon, just take 1 teaspoon. That's it. Yes, this much will be fine. 1 teaspoon. Yes, this much. This will be. Yes, Manha, you can just 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Okay, Mustafa, Zainab, now look at me. Okay, the powdered one. Okay, what I'm going to do is just take a pinch. Okay, just take a pinch of it.
This is okay?
And add it in your oil. Add little more, Manha. Add
In
little
your
more.
oil or in the bowl of water.
In the oil. In the oil.
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes, Umar.
Okay?
Manha, little more. 1 teaspoon. Full 1 teaspoon. Okay.
Ma'am, Musfira is money.
Yes. Yes. Done. Okay, Musfira, this one. Umar. Yes. Good. Yes. Now, what you have to do is just take 1 pinch of powder color, okay? And add, wait. Yes, 1 teaspoon. If you have a liquid food coloring, just add 1 teaspoon, okay? If you don't have a liquid, okay, Musfira, yes, just start stirring it. Zainab and Mustafa, just see over here. I have added food color into it, the powder food color, just 1 pinch. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of water. Okay, 1 teaspoon of water.
Ma'am, you want to mix it, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, Manha, just go ahead and pour it in your oil. Okay, pour it in your oil.
1 teaspoon water. No, the name we can change it.
Okay, don't pour it in the water, in the bowl, and start mixing it.
Ma'am, we want to put it water.
Just 1 teaspoon of water into your oil, okay, into your oil, and just mix it. Zainab,
It's a bit only.
okay, one by one, shoot the question, okay, one by one. Umaima, what is your problem?
My oil is just this much only. I can't mix it.
Okay, so but you have liquid food color, right, Umaima?
Yes.
Yes. Just add little more oil. It's okay. Just add little more oil and start stirring it. Who else? Who else wants to ask question? Yes, Musfira Rizwani. Yes, Musfira Rizwani. Tell me.
We want to put it 1 teaspoon water in the bowl.
Yes, in the bowl. 1 teaspoon. But if it is a liquid food coloring, don't add. If you are using a liquid food coloring, don't add. If you are using a powdered food coloring, then add a little bit of water into your oil bowl. Okay?
Nice liquid.
Then don't add anything, and just stir it. Who else want to ask question?
It's good. Now it's good.
Yes.
Now
Okay.
it's good.
Yes. What you have added? Manha, just add a little more food coloring. 1 more teaspoon.
Ma'am, see mine.
Show me. Yes. Good, Umar. Good. It's absolutely perfect. Zainab, show me yours. And Ali, show me yours. Ali, I want to see yours. Just stir it nicely, okay? Just stir it with your fork or with your spoon. Yes, good, Zainab. Ali, show me yours.
and I put it water, it become the water color.
Show me a bowl, Ali. I want to just see. Okay, I can't see it. Okay, listen, Ali, you have added oil to it. Have you added oil to it? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay,
Mine became like a paste.
yes. You can add 1 more teaspoon of water if you like. Okay.
And see,
Show me. It should be like a liquid. Okay, not like a paste. Yes, Musfira Rizwani, absolutely good. Can you see Musfira Rizwani's? It should be like that. Yes. Okay. Okay. So Manha, have you added food color? It is looking very actually very light yellow in color. Okay. So you can add 1 more teaspoon of food coloring.
okay.
Khatija, I can't see. Okay, yes, Khatija, I can see. Okay, absolutely perfect. Perfect. Okay, Musfira Sayyed, tell me. Okay, just wait. It's too much of water or too much of oil, I think so. What you can do is you can use half of it. Okay, not full. Okay, Musfira Sayyed.
Okay, I have poured it. What should I do now?
Now don't do anything. Just keep it like that. Just when I'm going to tell you to pour your bowls into the jar or into the glass, that time just pour it half. Okay, Musfira Sayyed? Just pour it half. Don't pour so much. Okay.
This is glass full of water, no?
Yes. Not full of water. Only 3/4. Wait now. Now, is everyone done with this? Is everyone done with the oil?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, come on. Everybody give me a thumbs up. Okay. Is
I'll do
everyone
that.
done? Okay. I can one. Yes. I can one. Mustafa. Yes. Everybody just give me a thumbs up if you're done.
I will.
The I can one. The I can thumbs up. Even I am going to give. Okay. Just wait. Because I am also done.
Nancy, I'll give the sticker.
Yes, that's it. Okay, Manha, perfect, Manha. Okay, come on quickly, Manha, give me a thumbs up, then I can go ahead.
Ma'am, I gave.
Okay, but in reaction,
I gave, but it went. Now
okay,
again I give.
good. Now I have everyone has a glass. Do you have a glass?
Yes.
Transparent glass, okay? It has to be transparent glass. I have a big jar. Oh, Umayma has also a jar, okay? Okay, even I have a jar. Okay, even I have a jar.
I have a glass.
Okay, that is fine. If you have a glass, if you have a jar, I'm taking the jar so that you can see my screen very clearly, okay? So now what I have to do? Yes.
Do you have to put water in the jar?
Yes. First, see what am I doing. Umar, come back to the screen. So what I have to do is, now this is the water bottle. I'm going to pour water. How much I'm going to pour water into the jar? 3/4. Right? 1 teaspoon, Musfira. Not 1 teaspoon. You have to fill your jar more than half, okay? That is 3/4.
Ma'am, I have a glass.
Yes.
Just 1/4. In the glass.
I'll tell you. I'll show you. Manha, please take a transparent glass. Otherwise, you will not be able to see. Okay, you have. Okay. See, can you see? No, more than this, Umayma, more than this. See, can you see? Only 1/4 part I have left. Only 1/4 part you should leave. More than that. More than half. Umar, more than half.
Ma'am,
Okay, this much will do. Okay,
this
fine.
is good. This is good.
Little more, Manha, little more.
Mama,
Khatija, where is your glass? Show it to me. Ali, show it to me. Yes, Umayma. Now it is perfect. Zainab, yours is perfect. Okay, yours is perfect. Ali, little more. Ali, little more. Okay. This is perfect. Okay, Mustafa.
And
Fine.
Musfira is funny.
Show me yours, Musfira.
We want to put it the water full. in the glass.
Not full, only 3/4. Okay, only 3/4. Can you see? I've just left little bit of space on top. That's it. Okay, Ali, yours is perfect. Yours is perfect. Yes, yes, Musfira Sayyed, yours is perfect.
Ma'am, perfect.
Show me, Umar and Musfira. Manha, perfect.
Ma'am, ma'am, see.
Yes, Umar, perfect. Umar, perfect. No, Musfira, you have to fill it little more.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm tired of holding this such a fat jar. Can you see this? Okay.
Can creep it
Ma'am, do you
outside.
have to put the solution in the water?
Wait, Mustafa, we will do it together, okay? We will do it together. Okay, everybody's done? Is everyone done filling your jar and glasses? Yes. Khatija, I have not seen your glass. Show me your glass. Khatija, I have not seen your glass. Yes. Okay, done. Okay, done. Okay, done, everyone. Now,
Yes.
now, don't do it right now. First, check mine. Okay, don't do it right now. Very gently, very gently. What you have to do is, I have taken my oil bowl. Yes, Musfira, that is fine. I have to take my oil bowl and I have to pour it in my jar, but very gently because it gets mixed. Okay, the food color will get mixed otherwise. I'm going to pour it very gently.
Ma'am, show it more.
Okay, and then you have to keep it in one place to observe it. Okay, I'm going to keep it in one place.
Wow.
Okay, so now slowly what is going to happen is the food color will separate from the oil and it will start pouring down or going down in a droplet, just like a rain. So you can see that. Okay, you can see. Yes, now you all can start pouring it in your glass. Start pouring it in your glass.
We want to mix it.
No, you don't mix it, just pour it gently.
Gently.
Do it.
Show me. Everybody, yes. Now just wait for some time and you will see that food coloring will drop down, okay? Or otherwise, I'm going to add more food coloring to it.
Dropping. Yes.
It's dropping. Can you see? Can you see? Just keep it in one place, Manha. Just keep it in one place and see.
Ma'am, because I don't make more. That's
Yes.
why my food coloring is not going.
Maybe you have to add little more food coloring to it, okay? So it will drop. Can you observe that? Is it dropping?
It's not dropping.
It's not dropping. Okay, it's not dropping. Manha, show me yours. Manha, show me yours.
I am making more.
You will see little droplets because I think so we have added too less food coloring to it. Okay.
More and food coloring.
Yes, Manha. No, now you can't add. You can't add. You have to add it. You have to mix it with the oil. So we will try it again. Okay, Manha, you can do this again with little more food coloring. And what else you can do is, we have lots and ample of time today. So what we can do is we can make it again if you have little more oil. Okay.
Ma'am, I made it again and I'm putting.
Okay, yes. Next class we have free. Okay, we don't have physical fitness today. So after that you all are free. If you want, I'm here. You all can do it again. Okay, you can do it
I
again.
want to do it again.
It's happening. Is it happening? Mustafa, show me yours. Mustafa, show me yours. You're
Still not
disappointed.
dropping, ma'am.
You're disappointed, Mustafa.
No.
Show me yours. It's not going down, Mustafa. The food coloring is not going down.
No.
No. Okay. Next time what we will do is we will add little more oil and even food coloring. We should have lot of food coloring to it. Okay. So you will see what the droplets going down. Okay. What does that mean?
Ma'am, my is come.
It's happening with you. It's working for you, Musfira.
Yes, I make it and I put it not then my oil.
Okay. Even mine is not happening.
It now?
Yes, what you can do is in the oil, just mix your food coloring to it. And this time just add little more food coloring. But use a use a fresh water, okay? Now this time, don't use the same water.
Use a fresh water.
Fresh water means just use the new one, okay? Don't use the same water.
How should I mix it?
What are you
Should I
mixing it?
mix it?
What are you mixing it, Umahima? Now we are a scientist, you can do anything. You can mix this. You can mix this now. This is a solution, okay? Solution. This is a solution. And what have we learned?
It's happening.
It's happening. Manha, is it happening?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Just give me a reaction that whether it worked for you or not.
And my also happening.
Khatija, oh no, it did not happen for Khatija. Umayma, yes, it worked for Umayma. Okay. Rushda is saying up and Khatija is showing me down. Okay. Okay. So next time what can we do is, next time we can mix more of food coloring, okay? More of food coloring. So you would be able to see the droplets going down. Okay, now have we done experimenting? Okay, Musfira Rizwani, yes. I can see Musfira Rizwani. I have a Kahoot quiz for you. But on Thursday, can we play on Thursday?
Fitness class.
Fitness class. I'm not allowed to use fitness class. Dawood uncle said you have to give freedom to your kids. Okay, so I can extend my class. Freedom in the sense is you can be free after that. Okay, there's no physical fitness after this. You're working. I'm so happy, Umar. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so happy. Okay, now listen. Can you see oil floating on the water? Can you see oil floating on the water?
Yes, that's small bubbles.
Yes. Khatija, can you see oil floating on the water? Yes, yes. So what does that mean, Khatija? Your oil has dissolved or your oil has not dissolved with water? What do you think?
Not dissolved.
Only Khatija. Khatija, tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me.
Ma'am.
Don't see anything.
Ma'am.
Yes.
The water, the oil is not dissolved a little bit.
No, the oil does not dissolve with water. That is why you can see the oil. Because the oil is very little. No, we have added very little oil. Yes. So the oil.
Mixing was a then also.
Yes. Even if you will mix after some time, you will see that the oil is floating on the water. Okay. Can you see this? Yes, Ali, show me. Yes, Ali. I can see yours.
See what we do this.
Now, please don't drink this solution, Ali, okay? This is not for drinking.
Ma'am, see.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Musfira. Yes, Musfira. I can see that. I can see the droplet. Just keep it somewhere and you will see the droplet falling down. Okay? It will sink at the bottom of the water. Can you see, Umar?
Yes, ma'am. It is dark red thing.
Okay, yes, you will be able to see. If you'll add little more food color to it, okay?
Ma'am.
Yes, I can see that. I can see it. Okay? Yes, so now yes, okay. Okay, please don't drink this solution. Later on, please throw it away, okay? Later on, throw this solution, don't drink it. Okay, it looks very tempting. It looks like juice, but don't drink it. Okay. Yes. On Thursday, Khatija, it's your turn on Thursday. Okay. You're going to teach us, right? Everybody be ready with the material. I'm going to post it on WhatsApp. I will post it today. Okay?
Yes.
Just origami paper and a sketch pen. Okay, on Thursday.
Origami means square origami paper.
Origami paper. Am I right, Khatija? Origami means a kind of a square, colorful paper. You can make it out of. Yes, craft paper will also do. Is it, Khatija? Is it all right if we will do with craft paper? Yes.
Square paper.
Square paper. Any square paper will do. Okay, and a sketch
It's the
pen.
thing with any paper.
Any paper. Okay.
If we use tinting paper and cut it in squares,
Yes,
it's
that
okay?
will also do. Yes, Umaima, that will also do. Okay, so now everyone, because we are scientists, sometime it works, sometime the experiment fail also. Yes, Mustafa, it failed. Okay, maybe for us it failed, or maybe you can try it again, and then you would see the droplet. Okay, yes, Umaima.
Is it today fitness?
No, we don't have fitness class after this. Okay, we don't have fitness class. It's a free time for you. We don't have.
Yay!
Okay, very good. On Friday, I will come up with one more experiment because this experiment failed. It's all right. Okay, it's all right. For some people it worked, for some it did not work. We will do it on Friday again, but I will not ask you to get all the ingredients. I will do it and I will show it to you. Okay, everyone, bye bye. And Manha, we will play Kahoot on Thursday. Okay, tomorrow. Kahoot. Okay, bye bye everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.